Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kita. Welcome. We would love to have you here. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel as well as turn on your notification bell, because today I'm about to show you my lazy go-to hair style. If you're interested, keep watching. Already washed my hair, detangled, and put in my leave-in conditioner. And today I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture jojoba oil and yucca butter braid up and take down detangler, as well as the braid up conditioning gel by Shea Moisture. And the things that you will need for this hairstyle is a big rake comb and a rat tail comb, some rubber bands, and I need some bobby pins. I need some bobby pins as well. And I hope that you guys are okay during the pandemic. I hope that you guys are literally staying at home during the pandemic, because I am a healthcare professional and I do work at the hospital. And I need to perfect my lazy day hair tutorial, because at the hospital I do wear a papper. And a papper is a machine, well actually it's a hood, and you have a machine that goes around your entire body. And it's like a little clip, and it fits around, it goes around your waist, and it has a hood that comes up, well actually a hose, I'm sorry, it has a hose that comes up and you have a hood on, and I'll try and insert a picture of that as well. And I just parted my hair down the middle. Hopefully my part is straight, but if not, it's lazy day for real. And I just do this right here because that's what I'm gonna do. Now I'm going to use a little bit of this first. But the only reason that I wear a papper is because I failed every N95 refit test that they offered, because they actually ran out of the N95 that I wear. So I was refit tested. I'm gonna just use some of this to seal. I'm gonna use the gel later. I'm just gonna grab my ends, take that through my ends right here. But yeah, I failed 4 tests. Why is this piece don't want to act right? Yeah, I failed every N95 respirator mask, and it was crazy. But I'll make sure that I link a picture of that as well, so you can see exactly what it looks like. And I failed 5 of the N95 masks that they had on hand at my work. So, and where I wear the papper, it comes over my whole face, and it comes around and it's an actual tight seal. It comes around my face, around my ears, and it ends up like right here. So I have to perfect my lazy day hair tutorial because I don't have time for the virus. Now just parted my hair right here because I'm trying to make sure that my braids will go inside of the pepper. And I just have a hair tie right here for this part. Quick detangle this right here. Because my normal hairstyle is 2 big braids right here, but me and Pappy was not getting along, so I have to perfect this just so I'll have enough room in my hood so that I don't rip my hair out, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to grab a little bit of the conditioning gel, and it looks like this, and it's very watery, but this is what I'm going to use today because I have to wash my hair every day. And my part's not straight, but it's lazy day, but oh well, because we see a lot of patients. On my unit. I'm just going to braid this up right here. But I hope that you guys are being safe and staying home through the pandemic. And comment down below when you have subscribed to my channel and you have turned on your notification bell so that you don't miss any future content from me. And I'm not going to braid this all the way down, just for the simple fact that I'm going to be adding this into my bigger braid on the back. I think that's far enough. I'm just going to repeat those same steps until I get this portion completed. Add a little bit of the conditioning gel. And this way my hair will be protected in the pepper. But a pepper is an alternative to an N95 respirator, and I love it. Like, I'm 100% protected from the viruses, TB infection, tuberculosis, and things like that while I'm at work. And let me know down below if your facility is requiring you to wear a face shield as well as a surgical mask. And this is what it looks like thus far. The new rules now are, if you're within a patient's room longer than 10 minutes, it requires you to have a face shield just for your protection, as well as a surgical mask as well, because A lot of facilities are not testing asymptomatic patients for the virus, so better safe than sorry. And asymptomatic just means that you could have it and not show any symptoms of the virus and transmit it to someone else. That's what asymptomatic basically means. Get them roots. And I did recently cut my hair. And if you're interested in that, I did do a tutorial on that on my channel. I'm just doing these braids quick fast because nobody's gonna see them under my hood at work, because I have to have it on because I failed the darn N95 test. That's crazy. Like, have you ever heard of anybody failing the N95 test? Alright, it's got 4 right here. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I need to find me a little cap, like a cap to put on my hair, but I don't know if that's gonna work with my just gonna grab some of this. Seal it up right quick with the oil. And these don't have to be perfect because, like I said, nobody's gonna see it at all, so. Because I actually wore a ponytail with that papper, and it looked like I was a freaking scarecrow. Like, my hair was like all over my head, and I was like, do y'all see my hair? Do y'all see my head? I'm scared of people. Like, it's got a little bit. I'm like, oh my god, like, I cannot go in there like this. But I need like a little cap to go over my hair, but I don't think that that's gonna create that perfect seal around my head for my papper, so we'll see about that. And this is the actual protective style that I'm going to be rocking until my facility gets my N95 back in stock. But from the looks of it, I don't think that that's going to be anytime soon. So have to do what I have to do. Alright, I got this braid right here, and I'm about to start braiding this side down. I braided the other one off camera, so the video would not be extremely long. So yeah. And if you guys recreate this style, make sure that you guys tag me on IG, and I will be sure to leave that in the description box, as well as a lot of other interesting facts and videos for my channel. I'm just putting them in as I go. Braid this all the way down to the end. And I am in phlebotomy school as well right now, so any of you all that are interested in phlebotomy, I have a playlist for phlebotomy on my channel, so make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, as well as turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any future content from me. And I just got my rubber band. I'm gonna tie this. Now I got 2 right here, so I'm going to get 2 bobby pins, maybe 3, I don't know, maybe 4, I don't know. And I'm gonna actually fold these up so that when I put my papper on at work, I won't have a problem. So when I put my papper on, it won't be in the way. Because I really wish that I could find somebody to make me like a cap so I don't have to wash my hair every day, because wash my hair every day, oh my god. So hopefully this will protect my edge line, because when you put the hood on for the papper, it has like a little helmet front piece right here, a headband right here to rest your head on, and then you pull it all the way down under your chin. It goes like this over your ears and behind your head. I need to tie those up in the back, but I'll do that later. But hopefully this will protect my hair from that darn papper, because it is vicious. I'll have to fix this one too, because it might poke a hole in it, but I'm going to fix this again. But this is how it looks, and this is my lazy day papper hairstyle, because ponytail, I look like a scarecrow. And it don't gotta be perfect, because guess what? Nobody's gonna see it underneath my papper until I get ready to punch out and go home. But here it is. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, as well as the conversation that we had. And I hope that you guys are being safe and staying at home. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you subscribe and turn on your notifications. Thanks for watching.